So we're creating some kind of elevator. So first thing first, you need some command block and some blocks. I think. Sorry for that battery. So you need some button, I guess. So guys, first create some floor. I'm going to make it fast. It depends on you how tall it is and how. So basically I'm going to make second floor elevator only. So it depends on you how long or how tall the elevator you're going to do. So make some roof. And for that, so we're going to enter the floor 1. There, put some hole. Put the command block. And to the top. So guys, it should look like this. So you better you put some button. So basically I'm going to use command block because it's easy to use. So guys, let's think about this. So you're about to write CP, QP, and the coordinates. Let's leave it there. So I'm going to stand here, I guess. 78161. So I'm gonna put it here. 7816. Oh my gosh, I got messed up. I'm going to look. Oh yes. And for the bottom, 75161. 75161. Oh, wait. So guys, after that you gotta test that. It's working.
Why?
So guys, you need some interior design for that. So guys, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Goodbye.